Hope you're having a rocking Monday. We just had a super fun staff meeting where we shared with our staff about focus. You know, wherever you focus, that's where your energy goes, and we want our team to be super focused on serving our clients. And we're trying to eliminate distractions. We want them to make sure that every step is followed, every detail is paid attention to for every single one of our clients. It's just part of just taking our agency to the next level. We have some really fun things happening at Exponential Media. We picked up a couple new clients last week. We're super pumped to get into the hotel branding business. I feel like there's a ton of opportunity. One of the newest big hotels in Baltimore is a new client, the Residence Inn Marriott in near John Hopkins. We're going to be doing the restaurant they have at the top penthouse floor, 16th on the park, as well as they have this amazing overlook venue space. It's a premier space in Baltimore. And so we're going to help them with their marketing strategy, especially in social media with those two locations. We picked up an entertainment company actually that had us in DC on Friday. We have 2 shoots this week, so we're super pumped about that. A lot of awesome opportunities just are all around us. We're helping a bike company called Supercross BMX with their Olympic riders. They have riders for their company. It's a 30-year-old company. You could go to supercrossbmx.com. And in the 2020 Olympics, a couple of their team riders are going to be in it. And so they selected us as an agency to help find sponsors for their riders this next year, which we're super pumped about. I don't know if you caught the X Games. Check it out. Go on to Instagram and just put X Games. Some of the most amazing tricks were done that people thought were not possible to do the last week. So you got to check that out. Exponential Sports. We have a new Instagram page that's actually blowing up. We're super excited about that. We got a lot going on at Exponential Media. Check out our website. Check out our Facebook page. We have a ton of new content. We're promoting our services, showcasing clients, teaching people about different how-to tips about branding and marketing and consulting. See you soon.